Oh, this is definitely like stick good stuff. This stuff won't move. Goodness.
Yeah, that's pretty old slime. I
feel like this isn't slime. No, I feel like I'm frosting it.
I would ask for a butter knife and just like paint it. Hey guys, it's Taylor and Vanessa, and today we're doing Slime Wars. If you guys don't know what Slime Wars is where we make slime, but there's usually a twist to it. And if you're not already, make sure you subscribe to join the Vanessa squad.
And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Mom, why is our whole slime collection here?
Because today we're doing a slime art challenge.
Oh, those are always fun. Those are awesome.
Those are not
But why
fun.
do we need our slime collection? Like, we have no glue to do the slime.
Yeah.
You're not making slime today. You're going to use your old slimes, and you are going to make this picture.
No! There's no way we can do the Starry Night by Van Gogh. Do you not see how complicated that is? Slime is so hard to work with.
Gosh. And some of these are like plain old liquid. Like, ooh, you can go like this and they'll just go, ooh. This one's not liquid, but.
Get ready for
It doesn't have to be the exact colors. You can use whatever color combination you want. But
Oh,
when we
that's
look
nice.
at the picture, it has to remind us of Starry Night.
Taylor,
Are you ready?
I don't see no blacks here. With that.
Are you ready?
No.
Set. Go.
Okay. Oh, that.
That's so liquidy.
That's wonderful.
That's not. I'm gonna. Oh yeah, she's definitely gonna need some stifle.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to build that weird like black smoke that it's in the picture.
I think it's a mountain.
You think it's a mountain?
I've always thought it was a mountain.
I think it's like smoke. It looks like smoke coming into the air.
Look at my wonderful stars. Something looks so pretty.
This looks nothing like it. Oh my goodness, it looks like a weird fork tree.
My stars look amazing.
I'm gonna dig through these balls because I don't want these balls in here. Okay, can you just move over? Ooh, a little.
Can you? Oh.
Okay, so there's a big star right there. Lovely. Can you move?
Oh no, don't run into my yellow. Keep yourself by yourself.
What'd you just say?
I said keep the yellow by itself. I don't want to tell you.
Okay, so there's kind of also a small one like right there. And then they're just everywhere kind of. I hope this painting looks good. Look at that. That's starting to get deformed. Look at my stars. I think I'm gonna go for a pink color in here. Mine's all gonna be pink. Here's the lid. I'll keep that to you.
Me!
Nope, girl, that is yours.
There you go.
Yes. Oh, this is definitely like stick good stuff. This stuff won't move. Goodness.
Yeah, that's pretty old slime. I think that was like in October.
I feel like this isn't slime.
I think it's more like paste.
No, I feel like I'm frosting it.
It was really good slime when Kayla gave it to me, but since it's been like over 6 months.
Vanessa, I'm frosting a cake.
Why is it starting to get sticky? You weren't sticky. Now you want to get sticky? I would ask for a butter knife and just like paint it. Like frosting. That's what I would do, to be honest.
Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. That's if you have to use this container after me.
Okay, should I do this clear slime or no?
Yeah, this one looks actually really cool. It won't just rip apart.
I'm trying to do the ombre look. I'm putting like multiple blues in.
Yeah. I'm trying to do like multiple colors. Oh, there's like 3 pinks here. And I like how these stars, there's like kind of like stars in here, so it's gonna add to it. Mine? I don't know what's happening to mine. OMG, we're not even gonna mess with you. We're just gonna put you back up. I ain't touching you. Okay, where's another pink? I'm gonna try this. Okay, you definitely need some state flow. But I definitely can work with you. I have an itch. I have a really bad itch. Nessa, can you please itch my forehead? I really have an itch. It's like dying to be itched right now. I'm not kidding. I had to itch it myself.
I'm not even gonna use Stay Flowing. That's just a mess that I don't enjoy.
Vanessa, I'm only picking out the slimes that are good.
Oh, I love this slime. But I gotta win Slime Wars, so.
Win it. Girl, have you not seen my pink thing right
Smell
now?
this.
Oh, touch my nose. It smells like,
There's fish bowls in here, so when I break them, they're gonna all explode. But it's gonna add texture.
I don't think it's really normal, but I'm just gonna go with it. My painting is kind of going lopsided now. Oh, it just looks like a bunch of mush to you guys, but I promise.
I don't have this much to play with. I'm gonna have to put it in a smaller container. Okay.
You know what I am gonna use this for? See all those houses down there? Well, that just fell.
Oh, please don't be sticky. Oh, it's sticky. Don't fall! Oh, yeah, I cannot work this. No, no. I just see this being a disaster. Maybe the houses will be gray.
The houses can be whatever they want to be. We're gonna try to use, oh, hello. It's tough, so I can really work with it. We're gonna use the white instead for our stars. Oh, how's yours coming?
That.
Do you understand anything that's happening in mine?
No.
I don't understand.
All I see is different pinks.
That's what I see with you. Oh my goodness, Nessa. What if no one understands? What if you guys have no clue what we're doing?
This is giving me the rest of this slime.
Are you using the rest of it?
I'm gonna fill in right here to make it kind of even.
I'm trying to mix these in.
I liked how mine turns out.
You like it? I have no clue what's going on in yours, and you have no clue what's going on mine.
You don't see my stars and then the mix of colors and then the smoke and then the houses?
No, not really.
See, I'll explain it for the viewers. Here's my tree, and then my houses, and then these are like the stars in the sky, and then the blue's the mixture in the sky because it's like ombre kind of.
I'm gonna try to make my stars a little bit more white so you can tell where they are. Well, this is our slime art of Van Goghs, Van Goghs, however you pronounce it. You guys can debate it in the comments below. But this is our slime art of the Starry Night.
I'm gonna poke it really bad.
You guys get to comment down below on who won this challenge, Vanessa's Starry Night or my Starry Night.
Now let's poke it!
You're gonna poke it? I don't want to. I just love it so much. Okay.
It's really thin, so like I can't really poke it.
I feel like I'm ruining it. My poor. Oh my gosh, she's actually doing it.
I have to scrape it off the table.
Especially that one color. Looks like the Milky Way.
It's like super clicky and super stretchy. This is technically a slime smoothie.
Yeah, it is.
It's just sticky.
No.
I wonder if yours was because you had like a bunch of sticky slimes.
Yeah. Yeah, look at that, Nessa.
Smell mine. Mine smells so good.
It smells like peanut and beans at once.
No, it does not. It smells like that blueberry on that slime.
I think there's also like cinnamon in there too. I smell some cinnamon.
I have that in there too. I'm not sure if it smells good stuff.
No, mine smells like glue. We hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Oh, I didn't get to pop it, no. And until next time, bye!